Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to attend this research workshop to report my preliminary research finding on civil servants e-learning in Taiwan. This is a study in which I co-authored with Professor Ii 1张 National Cheng University, who cannot get here because he is attending another important meeting in Taipei. So I'm in charge to do this presentation for us. Even though most parts of this draft was written by Dr. Jiang. Okay. Actually, this study is organized into 5 parts following a typical format of empirical study. Let's move quickly into the substantial content of this study. First of all, its introduction. The main purpose of this study is to understand the antecedents of online satisfaction with the civil servants e-learning system. As a matter of fact, e-learning has become a powerful learning tool for personnel training, both in private and public sectors. In Taiwan, civil servants in all levels of government are required to fulfill 40 hours on-the-job training per year, of which include at least 5 hours online training per year. So the Taiwanese government has established more than 49 e-learning websites since year 2000, such as the Civilian School of E-Government, National Civil Servants E-Academy, Taipei e-learning network, and so on. Therefore, the aim of this study is to explore the factors that may affect online satisfaction which civil servants are using those e-learning systems developed by central or local government. So, this is a very simple definition for the e-learning. Just because I did not just follow these slides. So we also can see the e-learning in Taiwan, just a very brief description. We have 49 e-learning websites in year 2005 for civil servants to take the e-learning course. For example, the Network Civilian School of E-Learning, National Civil Service E-Academy, and Taipei e-learning network. So the theoretical foundation of this study is mainly based on DeLong and McLean's IS success model, which has been widely applied in many fields, such as user satisfaction evaluation of e-commerce systems. According to the DeLong and McLean's model, there are 3 quality-related dimensions that may influence users' online satisfaction, which are system quality, information quality, and service quality. System quality is related to the easiness, responsiveness, and stability of information system itself. Information quality is associated with the accuracy, reliability, and completeness of information provided by the information system. Service quality is related to user perception of system tangibility, reliability, assurance, and empathy. So this study, we just want to try to examine and evaluate website and system of e-learning, especially to focus on the analysis of user online satisfaction in order to understand the civil servants' recognition, attitudes, and behaviors of e-learning system. This study, the main purpose of this study. Just as I have already said, the research theoretical foundation is based on the DeLong and McLean model. This model is very popular in the field of information management. Let me try to. So let me introduce the contribution of this study. The contribution from this work to e-learning literature is twofold. The first is the This study provided a study of civil servants' e-learning behavior regarding computer use based on the DeLong and McLean's model, with particular emphasis on information system and satisfaction pertaining to internet use in relation to e-learning attitude. Second, the research analysis is helpful to understand the roles that the attitude, behaviors, and satisfaction played in the observance of e-learning when civil servants use computers to learn skills and knowledge with the digitalized course. This is the literature part. Because this maybe we do not do very good literature review in this part, but I'll just want to summarize the main concepts in this literature report. Maybe we can jump to this research model first. As I have already introduced, the theoretical foundation of this study is based on the DeLong and McLean's IS information success model. The basic components of this model have three main components, which is the system quality, information quality, and service quality part. And all these three factors may affect the satisfaction, the user satisfaction online. Actually, in this model, we also want to try to expand this model, and by adding another related constructs such as utilitarian value, hedonic value, and social value. Because we believe there exist more complicated latent factors which may affect the user online satisfaction with the e-learning system. Utilitarian value is related to the current and future career goals, such as promotion and salary, which may mediate the relationship between user satisfaction and system and information quality. It is because these two dimensions are all correlated to the extrinsic and substantial function of e-learning, which is more utilitarian oriented. As to social and hedonic value, they are intrinsic in nature, which may correlated to the service dimension of information systems. Okay, maybe here is the definition for those constructs, and also we identify the main literature we based. So we can see this slide shows the main constructs we have already identified, include system quality, information quality, service quality, which is based on the McLean and DeLong's model. And we added the utilitarian value, hedonic value, social value, and that's the new part we add in this model. And also we try to measure whether this part can influence the online satisfaction of in the e-learning system. Here is the hypothesis we identified. There are 6 hypotheses we identified. It's quite straightforward. Then system quality is positively related to satisfaction. Information quality is positively related to satisfaction, and service quality is positively related to satisfaction, and social value is positively related to satisfaction, and utilitarian value is positively related to satisfaction, and hedonic value is positively related to satisfaction. In this model, we maybe in the further in the future, maybe we will try to identify the mediation effect of especially like the utilitarian value and hedonic values. In the first part, we just try to correlate it. By the correlation results, we just identify the preliminary results between the utilitarian value and his system and information quality. And another pace is between hedonic value and service quality and social values. So let me go to the sampling. We just use the survey technique. Of all 300 questionnaires distributed, and we get the 277 valid questionnaire returned. The data collected, we also use the data collected from 277 e-learning system users are public officials in Taiwan, and the data was analyzed with list rail, and because we use the structured equation modeling, so we use the list rail software. The data was good. Okay, this one. Okay. So probably we can go to the research results directly. So first of all, we can see the descriptive results for the samples. Basically, among the respondents, 43% was female and 56% was male, and 15 had taken one web-based course, and 31% had taken 2 or 3, and 52 had taken at least 4. So on average, the respondents was 55 years old. And this slide shows the reliability of the variables. We use the comba alphas. We test the coefficients of comba alphas, and also try to identify the average variance. The average variance extracted. Overall, the result is very good, because the most items exhibited loading higher than 0.7 on their respective constructs, providing evidence of acceptable items converge on the intended constructs. So that's the first part, because we use the structured equation modeling. So the first of all, we just try to identify the measurement model. Based on these findings, the model we identified is quite good. Then fit the data of very well. This is the most important part of this study, because this is the result of the findings. We just can see the pace between those concepts. Overall, then we can see basically all hypotheses we identified in this study are proved, and we can see the system quality and information quality. Then both contribute to the utilitarian values, and the service quality and social value is positively correlated to hedonic values, and both utilitarian value and hedonic values both are contributed to satisfactions. So, based on these preliminary results, we can make sure the model we identified is a good fit of the data, and also provide us the confidence to make sure the antecedents of the under-satisfaction in e-learning system for our civil servants. Okay, jump to the conclusion quickly. There are 3 major findings in our studies. The first of all is user utilitarian value positively influence user satisfaction in using online learning programs. Both system quality and information quality have positive influence in the respondent's attitude toward observing utilitarian value. Both variables show the same weight to influence user utilitarian value. That's the first finding we have. The second one is the respondent's hedonic value significantly influence their perceived satisfaction. Their hedonic value is positively influenced by both service quality and social value. Both service quality hold more influence. And the third one is the most interesting part is the respondent's hedonic value has the highest influence compared with their utilitarian value in their online learning program and systems. Between the two elements affecting their satisfaction, hedonic values has a higher causal relation value than utilitarian value. So I think this may be the most important part we found. Okay, thank you very much.
Professor Zhang and ladies and gentlemen, I'm very impressed with Professor Zhang Qiluk and Jiang Yijun, both scholars we know very much, and I'm very impressed with their paper, The Effect of Civil Servants' Online Usage on Satisfaction of E-Learning. I'm just like pick bones from eggs, so actually I don't have a lot of comment, but I have some suggestions for you. I have 7 points I want to kind of present to you all. First, I think this paper, this subject is very important because now we are in e-society and bureaucrat. In bureaucracy, actually, we want to learn, we want to know whether or not bureaucrat can kind of use by kind of technology very good, and then whether or not they can learn from by using electronic kind of facility. So I think this is a very important paper. And then this paper has a lot of strong points, like the writing is very fluid, very clear, very logic, and the methodology is all very good. So well, there's a lot. It's more than that, I say. But I have also about 4 points. I want to give suggestions, but these suggestions are concerned more, but may not be related to your paper. It could be your future research questions. First, well, I think under different situations, the satisfaction kind of could be related to other factors than this kind of system quality. For example, if well, it's another point is if kind of bureaucrats their attitude, their learning attitude is a very important one, because if their attitude is very strong enough, then system quality might not be so important. So it's kind of under different situations. Well, there might be other factors, and the other one is that for example, under different subject, for different group of bureaucrats, they might have different interests. So I didn't see any kind of subject or topic differences described in this paper, because for example, I myself I'm kind of a long time study on disaster management. If I kind of the e-learning is the subject of disaster management, then I would be very interested in it. So again, this factor may not be related to system quality, but of course it's also, if very good system quality, of course, I'm very happy about that. Okay, so and also I will like to know more about how these samples are selected, whether or not they have a high commitment to fill up questionnaire. Something like, for example, well now maybe I'm a little bit old. Sometimes I got questionnaire. Just if I were forced to, I need to fill out the questionnaire. Just well, okay, everything is okay, or everything is really bad. But it's something that just I want to know more about because it's very important. It's kind of related to validity and kind of a research method that we need to clarify. So I think this is these are the points I want to raise. But again, I think in sum, this is a very good paper because we need to know and then how bureaucrats can learn. And of course, now it's very important that we can kind of ask our bureaucrat to learn from e-learning, and it's a very important subject, of course. So, well, I think in sum, this is a very good paper. Well, I think I just have so much to say. So, although the time is not up yet, but well, I finished this. Thank you all very much.